Welcome to the introduction series of the iLife A20 Pro, your smart solution for effortless cleaning. In this video, we'll take you through the features of this advanced robotic vacuum cleaner that has a vacuum and mop combo, which allows you to eliminate the hassle of longer cleaning routines. Let's get started. First, we have the iLife A20 Pro itself, your all-in-one vacuum and mop robot. A charging dock complete with an adapter is provided to keep your iLife A20 Pro powered up. For optimal battery performance, it's recommended to charge it for at least 8 hours before its first use. The 2-in-1 dust and water tank allows the robot to switch between vacuuming, mopping, or doing both simultaneously, making your cleaning routine seamless. 2 mop cloth and a mop base are included to ensure efficient and effective mopping every time. You will also find 2 side brushes designed to reach every corner and edge for a comprehensive clean. A HEPA filter is included for top-notch air filtration, keeping the air in your home fresh and clean. A handy cleaning tool is provided to clean your robot. Lastly, the user manual is there to guide you through the setup of the iLife A20 Pro. To use the mopping function, simply open the lid of the water tank, fill it with clean water. Be sure not to add any disinfectants. Insert the water tank back into the robot and then attach the mopping cloth for efficient mopping performance. Now let's turn on the iLife A20 Pro and explore its advanced functions. The power button here gives you the quick access to start the robot, and with a tap of the home button, you can send the robot back to its charging station manually whenever you want. Advanced LiDAR navigation technology. The iLife A20 Pro makes house cleaning a breeze. Thanks to its advanced LDS navigation technology, it performs 360-degree scanning at 4,000 samples per second, allowing it to map your home with precision and create an optimal cleaning path. Using the SLAM algorithm, it selects the most efficient route based on its current position, ensuring full coverage. This makes sure it smoothly navigates around your furniture and objects, avoiding collision and ensuring there is no damage. Simultaneous vacuum and mop. The iLife A20 Pro comes with an innovative 2-in-1 design that combines both a dust and water tank, allowing you to vacuum and mop at the same time for a thorough clean. This hybrid system ensures streak-free flows and seamless transitions between vacuuming and mopping, making your cleaning routine much easier. The tank holds 0.3 liter of dust and 0.2 liter of water, giving it enough capacity to handle different cleaning tasks without needing frequent emptying or refills. Additionally, it offers the option to vacuum or mop separately, giving you the flexibility to customize your cleaning process based on your specific requirements. Customized cleaning. With its advanced mapping capabilities, you can specify zone-specific suction and water volume adjustments, ensuring optimal performance tailored to your home's needs. You can also mark to-go zones, no-go zones, and no-mop zones. You can focus on areas that need extra attention or avoid sensitive spots. It's all up to you to choose. For quiet operation, simply activate the Do Not Disturb mode. It is a robot vacuum you can truly personalize. 2-in-1 floating roller brush. Now let's talk about the iLife A20 Pro's 2-in-1 roller brush with a flexible and floating design that significantly enhances cleaning efficiency. Its adaptable structure glides smoothly across various floor types, including carpet, tiles, granite, cement, mosaic, and hardwood. This versatile roller brush ensures thorough cleaning throughout your home, delivering exceptional results with minimal effort. Your floor will be cleaned thoroughly every time the A20 Pro gets to work. App and voice control. Control the A20 Pro effortlessly with your smartphone or through voice commands. The iLife A20 Pro seamlessly integrates with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, giving you hands-free convenience from anywhere in your home. You can turn on and off the robot with just your voice. It's truly impressive. Intelligent sensors. This robot vacuum is also equipped with cutting-edge infrared sensors for optimal cleaning efficiency. Its anti-fall feature protects the A20 Pro from falling down the edges. Its anti-collision feature makes sure it doesn't run into any obstacles like your precious furniture. Its anti-stuck technology prevents it from getting trapped in narrow spaces. These advanced technologies enhance both reliability and performance and keep your robot running. Suction power. The iLife A20 Pro robotic vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive suction power of up to 6,500 Pascal, which delivers an outstanding cleaning performance. Plus, with its Auto Carpet Boost feature, the A20 Pro automatically increases suction power when it detects carpets, removing deeply embedded dirt and debris from the carpets and leaving them looking spotless. Whether tackling tough spills or navigating between hard floors and carpets, the A20 Pro delivers strong suction power that effectively handles even the messiest challenges. Upgraded long-lasting battery. The iLife A20 Pro features an impressive 5200 mAh battery, providing greater power and enabling extended cleaning sessions of up to 260 minutes. This long runtime ensures a thorough and efficient clean for a larger home, making it easy to cover up to 3,500 square feet continuously and without any interruption. Wide cleaning path. For both vacuuming or mopping, the iLife A20 Pro features an innovative wide cleaning path that ensures comprehensive coverage for your home. Unlike traditional back and forth patterns, this zigzag motion allows the A20 Pro to clean more efficiently, reaching every nook and cranny for a thorough, deep clean without leaving any spot untouched. Auto resume functionality. The iLife A20 Pro has an auto dock function that detects when the battery is low and returns to its charging station to recharge. Once fully charged, it resumes cleaning from the same spot, providing a perfect clean. This ensures efficient cleaning without any need for human intervention. Multi-floor mapping. The iLife A20 Pro can efficiently handle up to 5 levels of your home, adapting to the unique needs of each room. With the ability to save up to 5 multiple maps, you can customize cleaning schedules, adjust suction power and water levels, as well as specify how many times each floor should be vacuumed or mopped, depending on floor type or dirtiness. Its advanced mapping technology ensures seamless navigation through various rooms and areas, providing thorough and effective cleaning throughout your home. Various cleaning modes. The iLife A20 Pro vacuum mop robot features several cleaning modes, including path, edge, spot and auto. It utilizes a systematic cleaning approach and an advanced LDS navigation to efficiently cover your floors. You can choose a mode depending on your needs. Maintenance. Ensuring the best performance for iLife A20 Pro is simple with these simple maintenance steps. Regularly wipe the infrared obstacle avoidance sensor, clip sensors and charging pins with a tissue or cloth to keep them clean. Inspect the side brush and nose wheel for tangled hair or debris and clean as necessary. Turn over the machine and take out the roller brush. Use the cleaning brush to remove the dust and clear the entanglements if you find any. Use the cleaning tool to maintain the 2-in-1 floating roller brush, keeping it free from dust and hair. Periodically, clean the wheels to ensure smooth operations. Perform a weekly cleaning of the dust tank, making sure not to use any water. Tap the HEPA filter to remove the dust and make sure to replace the sponge and HEPA filter every 3 to 4 months. Wash the mopping cloth attached to the base whenever necessary. iLife Clean. Now, let's connect your iLife A20 Pro to the iLife Clean app for better control and convenience. Download and register on the iLife Clean app. Turn on Bluetooth and select iLife Clean. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Turn on the robot, follow the in-app instructions for pairing and start controlling your robot with your smartphone. With iLife Clean app, you can tailor your robot's cleaning tasks to match your preferences. Select from options like Smart Cleaning, Forbidden Zone or Zone Cleaning. You can merge, split or rename rooms for targeted cleaning. Adjust the cleaning frequency, water level and suction power for each room. Schedule daily cleaning sessions and manage multiple maps for different floors. Schedule times when the robot should not clean with the Do Not Disturb option. Set up virtual walls to prevent access to sensitive areas. Keep track for your cleaning history and adjust voice and volume settings. Set up multiple cleaning plans for different rooms. Monitor and replace robot parts when they fall below 20% usage. Select between careful, normal or fast cleaning speeds. Activate Auto Boost for carpet cleaning to automatically increase suction power when the robot detects carpets, ensuring a deep and a thorough clean. Enable the breakpoint resume feature to make sure your robot automatically returns to its charging station when the battery runs low. Once recharged, it will pick up right where it left off. delivering an uninterrupted and seamless cleaning process without missing any spot. Opt for the Y-shaped mop mode to have the robot clean your floors in a Y-shaped pattern. Thank you for watching this video to learn about the iLife A20 Pro robotic vacuum and mop system. The iLife A20 Pro will be your ultimate cleaning companion, so you can say goodbye to dirt and let it handle all your cleaning needs.